Hey Wolfpack, it is January 2nd and here I am again with you. I told you I would see you today and you didn't believe me, but here I am. Today I wanted to talk to you about science. If you've been following my videos for a little while, you probably know that I'm kind of a nerd. And I'm okay with that. I think that you're probably a little bit of a nerd also. But aside from just being really into the fictional worlds that I enjoy in terms of literature and film and sometimes video games, I'm also interested in the world of actual science, though I've never gotten really deep into it because, frankly, I'm really bad at math. And there's only so far you can go into the world of physics before you start having to really understand math. But I really like the concepts of it. I'm especially interested in space. So whenever I come across something that helps me to understand that strange and foreign world of science, I am excited by it. I get excited when I find some new way to educate myself to crack that strange nut that I very rarely am able to get deep into because of, my inability to do anything beyond long division. I guess I can kind of cheat and use a calculator, but I don't ever fully understand what's happening. Like in calculus classes in school, I was always like, I'm just hoping. I'm just putting a series of numbers and letters here and hoping that they're correct. And I would say 70% of the time, they were right. Whatever gets you a C+ in a class, that's how many times out of 100 I was right. How well I did in my English and history courses and how poorly I did in my math and physics and chemistry courses, well, that's a topic for an entire other vlog. But for today, I wanted to gush to you guys about a channel that I am absolutely in love with here on YouTube, a channel that takes pieces of documentaries and then changes them into music, the same way that Shmoyoho does with the news, or did with Auto-Tune the News, and sometimes does with viral videos. Melody Sheep takes documentaries about cutting-edge science and turns them into really catchy songs. Songs that I love so much that every time I hear their newest track, I always want to cover it. So for my second video of 2013, I wanted to introduce you to that. Let's take a listen.
So, what are we really made of? Dig deep inside the atom and you'll find tiny particles held together by invisible forces. Everything is made up of tiny packets of energy, born in cosmic furnaces.
The universe is made of 12 particles of matter, 4 forces of nature. The universe is made of 12.
Onward to the edge, we're moving onward to the edge. Here we are together, this fragile little world, this fragile little world. Onward to the edge, we're moving onward to the edge. Here we are together.
Freeman, Neil deGrasse Tyson, Brian Cox, there are so many cool people involved with the music on this channel. I highly recommend that you go and check it out, and it gets me excited about science. I hope that if you're not super into science, that it gets you excited about it also, because there's a lot of really interesting stuff going on out there. And of course there are a ton of great educational science channels here on YouTube, like SciShow, Minute Physics, ASAP Science. There are a bunch of them out there. Let me know in the comments which of those you watch, if there are maybe some that I have not seen that you think I might enjoy. I'll link to some of my favorites in the description. I hope that you're having a swell day. I will see you tomorrow, and until then, be brilliant.